If you want to change the lock screen wallpaper on the Google Pixel 11, you can, for example, go to Settings on your phone. Over here in Settings, go to Wallpaper and Style. And then if you have the lock screen selected over here, then you should be able to find this section where usually you can pick the wallpaper that you wish to use. You can also tap on More Wallpapers in order to find all of these different collections and categories that you can use to set up on your phone. And let's say I'm just gonna choose the community lens category. And if you find a wallpaper that you wish to use on your lock screen, then you should be able to pick that wallpaper. There we go, we have the preview. You can tap on the preview and you can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the position of the wallpaper. And then you can tap on this check in the upper right corner to exit the editor. And we can go next over here. And now you have the option to apply this wallpaper on both lock screen and home screen. And if you want to set it only for the lock screen, then of course you can just uncheck the home screen. That is not a problem. And then we can tap on apply to set it just for the lock screen. There we go. Now we can open the lock screen to see our new wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.